What's up, you guys? My name is Patrick and thanks for checking back in at my channel. Alright, you guys, today we're gonna go on a very special trip with my cousin Andrew. You guys probably remember Andrew in my other vlogs before, but today we're gonna go on a special joyride down Pacific Coast Highway in a Ferrari. And so I'm really excited for this. It's my first time in a Ferrari, and so let's go. This is exactly what I needed after a big exam, and so let's go enjoy ourselves. Oh my god! Hey! Oh my gosh, that is legit! Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped for this. Look at that nice logo! Oh. Alright, let's get inside and let's go! So I'm currently in the Ferrari 812 Superfast, and what I really like about it is the interior matches the exterior of the car. I mean, it is black leather with red detailing, stitching. The wheel is super nice. Show me the wheel, Andrew. Look at that. The wheel has a bunch of buttons, which I don't know what is for, but it looks like it's ready for racing. In the driver's seat, we got Andrew over here. He's rocking his red shirt to match the Ferrari. I'm here for it. Before we head on over to PCH, we're actually going to get a treat. We're going to go to In-N-Out and get some shakes because before I go to New York, I want to get a last taste of California. And so since there's no In-N-Outs in New York, got to stop by In-N-Out. And so since Andrew is driving the Ferrari today, I said, all shakes on me. Alright, you guys, we decided to step out of the car for a bit and take a quick shake break. But we stepped out of the car and we realized it is super hot in California. For some reason why, we're currently in August and it feels like it is in the middle of July. It is super hot. It is 100 degrees right now. There's 2 fires going on. It's humid. So getting shakes at In-N-Out was a good idea, but it's getting so hot, so I'm going to finish this up and get back in the car. Damn, she thick. And our adventure continues. Whoa! Let's go, let's go. All right, we're about to reach the Pacific Ocean. You guys are about to hit PCH. Just a few more miles down this road, and you guys are gonna see the ocean. Right in front of us, that's the ocean, you guys. That's the Pacific Ocean. There it is. Hey, that's a really nice view. Look at that. All of that is the ocean. Holy smokes. This is California, baby. This is California. This view never gets cool. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. Wow. Alright, you guys, it's been a nice ride. Thank you to my cousin Andrew for letting me join him in his Ferrari. That's it, you guys. If you guys like my vlog, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, my name is Patrick. Make sure to go out there and be a winner.